Okay, hello guys, this is Steven here. Today we're just going to be doing the assignment for the Charlie loading system. So we're going to start off with these numbers that I've just put in. So it's just like one pilot and a passenger, and I took 77 because that's the average weight of a person. And I just want to say that we're going to be taking maximum fuel. So we're going to reach all the way to, our takeoff weight would be 1115. Because it's stated here that this is the maximum takeoff weight for the normal category. Okay, so how we do this is first start off by knowing the weight in kilos and then timesing it by the arm, and the arm is given over on the second page. So like for example, baggage would have an arm of 4 to 10, and we're going to go through the examples here. So the aircraft empty weight, the index unit is already here, so it would just be 19,522, and full oil is also 86, and that is acquired from oil arm at 7 kilograms. It's 86 for index units, so 86 here. So for the first row we have 154, and on this here the weight does not go all the way to 154, so what we do is get a calculator and we put 154 here times the arm of row 1, because this is located in row 1, would be 2750 equals that, divided by 100, so it's easier to work with, and it will be 4,235. Put that there, and we do the same for row 2, so it will be 77 times, however row 2 arm changes because it's further back, so it would be 3,600 this time, divided by 100 again, so it would be 2,772. 772. Next we have our baggage, which is 40, and over here we have baggage, and it's already given to us as 1684, so we can just slot that in. Next we have zero fuel weight, and how we calculate that is by adding up all of these. We just go ahead and put that in, plus 154, 77, plus 40. So it'll come up to be 965. Then how we get the index unit on this side would be the exact same method, so we just add all this up and that'll give us the zero fuel weight over here. So it'll be 952 plus 86, 4235, 2772 plus 1684, and that would give us 28,299. And we just put that there, 28,299. And I said before that we were taking max fuel, and how we calculate that is just take 115 because that is the maximum weight that we can take off with here, and subtract it from 965, and they'll give us however much fuel we have here, and that would be, so 1,015 minus 965, they'll give us 150 kilograms of fuel right there. And then we hop back over on this side where we have fuel over here, and again we don't have 150 kilograms of fuel, so we're just gonna have to times it by the arm on the calculator, and that'll give us the index unit. So we have 150 times the arm, which is 2950, equals that, divided by 100, just to keep the numbers small. So we have 4,425. Sorry. And then we just add the zero fuel weight plus the fuel weight, which would give us our takeoff weight here. So 28299. So equal 32,724. Slot that in. 2724. And then for the center of gravity check, we just use the formula that is provided up above here, this index unit. So we just substitute the index unit and then times it by 100, and then divide it by the weight in kilograms over here. So let me just go ahead and do the zero fuel weight one. So here we would have, oops, 28299 times 100 divided by 965, and that would give us 100 divided by 965. It would give us that, so 2,933. We'll just round up for this one. And for the takeoff weight, which is over here, 32,724 times 100 divided by 1,115, and that would give us 32724 times 100, that divided by 115, and that would give us 2,935. So then, how I'd like to do this is, I just like to write out, so we just take the zero fuel weight and the takeoff weight using the index unit and the weight here, and just plot it along on this chart. And so just let me go ahead and do the zero fuel weight first. So it will be over here. So we'd use this number here and the weight, so which is 965. So essentially using this, and so these four numbers on this chart. So 2933, so it'll be around here, all the way up to 965. Go all the way up to 965. So, and you just want to put a little dot here. And for the takeoff weight, it would be the maximum one, and 935, so it will be around the same at the, literally at the line here. Then how you want to do this is you just get a ruler and just draw a thin line. Sorry. And so I've just drew the line up here. So it's just a thin line, and it's as long as it is within the outer border, so the black line of this envelope, it is allowed to take off. So it's within the limitations. And here we have the utility category, which is used for other things, but so for this worked example, it is within the limitations, and throughout the entire flight, even if we burn all the fuel that we took on board. So that's it, and thank you.